I love that. I love 0.2, 0.3 offset.
Yeah.
Not slinging that one because close to the ground. I don't think I'm gonna fall, but no, I'm gonna move it up and then I'll sling it. Oh, I think this is too small. All right, that can live there. Yeah. What else do I have that I can get in over here? An offset would have been sick. Maybe. No, I brought two. Another 0.2, 0.3. And it's perfect. 0.2, 0.3 is the best off with size. There we go. Super solid. Super salad. Super salad or breadsticks. I don't know what I'm going on about. Ignore me.
Sounds like you're hungry.
I'm always hungry.
Yeah, you're one of those guys that can just eat. I wish, man. I love eating, but your body just fucking bloats and gains weight.
I'm gonna deprive myself of a handhold. Can't really see.
Spiders.
Oh, somebody step on a duck. Nice job, Patrick! Patrick just on-sighted broken chicken wing.
That was broken chicken wing?
I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought broken chicken wing was down there.
I was a little surprised he warmed up on it.
And what's that one rated?
9+. Best 9+ in the gorge, man. Give me, come to me. There you go. Oh, I forgot to take your draws.
Oh shit, that's right, sorry.
Oh, it's no big deal. That's my bad. I left the ground without getting them. This neat little varnish. There we go, I remember that. Knee beta. Double knee beta.
Outside knee bar?
Since I burned my last draw, I'm gonna go down and back clean that,
Okay.
so you can top rope this.
Okay.
But yeah, give me a take.